Hi everyone, it's Robin Clayton and I want to welcome you back to my channel, So to See at the Farm. I hope everybody out there is doing absolutely magnificent. I am back here at my studio working on my glass flowers, and today we're going to be working on another sunflower. So I hope that if you're in the mood for a sunflower, I'm about to give you a showing on one that I am going to be making. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how to complete this beautiful sunflower for your home or for your garden. Let's move on now to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. First thing that you're going to need is your cordless drill with a diamond tipped drill bit. You're also going to need some toggle bolts. These are 3/16 inch by 3 inches. You're going to need a chair cover if you're going to be mounting it to an outdoor stand. You're going to need some washers. You're going to need your stabilizers for cutting. You're going to need some Windex to clean your dishes off. You're going to need some water while drilling. You're going to need this one or a hand screwdriver. Either one will work. And I think that's pretty much everything other than maybe a towel, your gloves, and your protective eyewear, and we are ready to go. So I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see how I'm going to be cutting this glass. Alright everyone, let's get set up for cutting this berry bowl that I'm going to be using for my sunflower. And I've got this all set up. I've got my water there that I pour. I've got my center marked. And I am ready to go. Okay, let's cut this piece. Okay, I'm going to use supports. Go ahead and put this in. Got my center marked. Okay. Put water there. And here we go. We're going to go now to the big piece to cut. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my stabilizer and I'm going to stick that directly underneath the glass. Okay, make sure that's centered correctly. I've already marked the center. This sits nicely just like that. I've got my water. I'm going to go ahead, put the water right there. I've got my diamond tipped drill bit. I'm going to turn it on its side. I'm going to start at a 45-degree angle and bring it up to 90 degrees. Okay, start out real slow. Okay, just take your time here. Okay folks, so now that we have completed the cutting of all of these pieces, we're going to go ahead and move to the assembly portion. We've got everything that we need here. One of the things that I forgot to include was my hook, and I do have my hook available. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn this over. I'm going to take one of my washers. I'm going to take my hook, which I had to open up a little bit with a metal drill bit. All right, so I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to take my toggle and I'm going to stick that straight through just like that. And I'm going to stick it straight through the glass and carefully turn this over. Okay. Then I'm going to take another washer and stick that right there. And then I'm going to grab my next piece and I'm going to place that right there. Okay. And then I'm going to take another washer and put that washer right there. Then I've got my berry bowl that I'm going to also stick right there and put another washer just like that. I'm going to go ahead and get my toggle started. Get it down there just a little bit. And then I have my metal orb, and all I'm going to do is grab the piece from the back, push my orb in till it grabs, and I can pull it back out just like that. Then I know I've taken it, it's taken the orb. So I'm just going to carefully turn this over using my right hand, take my screwdriver, and proceed to tighten this down. Okay, just a little bit more. Tighten this up. Okay. Grab my plate, make sure that everything is set correctly. Okay, here we go, my friends. So there it is, my gorgeous sunflower that you guys love so much. I think it looks absolutely magnificent. All right, folks, we have finished up on this gorgeous sunflower from an assembly standpoint. And there's the back of it. You can see how magnificent that looks. And this is a 1, 2, 3 pieces plus the orb. There's the dimensions. You can see. I think that looks so beautiful. Okay, let me show you what this looks like on a stand. Okay, let me grab the stand. This is a stand that I just recently got. I think I got it at Bell's over here in Southwest Florida. And this is what I mean about a one-piece stand. It's all one piece. Okay, so this is a very strong stand, which is totally built to handle very large pieces or heavier pieces of glass for display. Okay, so I'm going to take my sunflower and I'm going to set it right there on that stand. And here we go with the stand. So there it is. And it holds it quite nicely on this beautiful stand. But I think that sunflower just looks so bright, so fiery, so just magnificent, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. All right, folks, we're at the end of the video. I want to thank you for joining me here today at Zodicea at the Farm. If you have any questions with regards to today's video, you can email me at hurricane4cr@gmail.com. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can find them on my website at www.zodiceaatthefarm.com. And please list your comments in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share so that these particular videos can get out to others who are interested in creating their own beautiful glass flowers for their home or for their garden. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have a blessed week and a blessed weekend, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicea at the Farm. Take care. Bye-bye.